imagine a place out there, a place where a mother in a war country gives birth on a dirty floor, where she doesn't have any professional medical care, she's not in a hospital, and she doesn't even have the medical tools that can help her give birth. This is because she doesn't have any healthcare nearby. Aren't you not grateful that this is not you? Aren't you not grateful that you have all the healthcare support that you could get? Aren't you grateful that you can be able to access any medical facility near you? This mother wishes the same thing, and you can help. Today, I will be explaining the importance of humanitarian medical organizations such as Doctors Without Borders, who help millions of people around the world who in war crisis zones and refugee camps who suffer from preventable conditions due to the lack of access of basic healthcare needs. But even though we are not affected by these situations, even though we do not live in these regions, your support matters. Your support can contribute significantly into that efforts that deliver direct urgent care and save lives. After considerable amount of research on the global health crisis and the life-saving work of Doctors Without Borders, I have seen the solutions created by these medical organizations, and I have understood the necessary need of our support, of your support. Today, I will then explain to you the need of healthcare in war crisis and in places alike. I will show you how Doctors Without Borders provide solutions, and I will help you understand the need of your support. In many places around the world, in war-zone places, people in these communities suffer due to the lack of access of medical care. They don't have hospitals, they don't have medicines, they don't even have doctors. According to World Health Organization, often known as the WHO, over half of the global population lacks access to essential health services, which leads to preventable suffering and deaths. Mothers and the newborns out there, injured civilians, ill patients, and people who suffer from natural disasters are those of whom were affected due to the lack of medical care. But I have good news for you. There are solutions. There are proven solutions that bring a difference, that make a difference, and save lives. I will show you a short clip of how Doctors Without Borders provide solutions and save lives. Doctors Without Borders is a humanitarian organization that helps over 75 countries. Countries that suffer from wars, diseases, and natural disasters. The Doctors Without Borders provide solutions by sending trained medical teams. They build temporary clinics, and they also provide surgeries and medications within these affected remote areas. The Doctors Without Borders also meet certified needs due to reducing the disease outbreaks, treating injuries and traumas, and they provide help by saving the lives of mothers and their children. So far, you've heard me often saying that your support matters. Your support can change lives. And you find yourself asking, how can I support? How can I support this humanitarian medical organization that saves lives? Through your donations, through your volunteering, and through raising awareness of this organization can be a way that you can support. That small action of your support can significantly change a life and save a life. Now I want us to get into our imaginative minds. I want you to imagine a world with or without Doctors Without Borders. I want you to imagine a world with or without the support. I want you to imagine a world where a child in Gaza, a child where a mother in Sudan, a refugee in Syria has access to clean and professional medical care, where doctors can travel by boat, by planes, or even by foot to provide medical care and save lives. This is because you cared to support. But now, I'd like you to imagine a world where a mother dies, where a child loses their limbs due to infections that could be treated, where communities break due to the lack of access of healthcare. These are not just stories. These are realities of millions of people out there who suffer. You have a choice. And don't forget that this is a visual aid that can help you visualize the imaginations. This is a child before who suffered from health disorders. And this is the same child after, who received medications that help this child live a healthy life. This is because of Doctors Without Borders, who provide solutions, they make a difference, and they save lives. Now you have a choice. You have a choice to turn a blind eye or to bring hope to someone. Millions of people worldwide, they suffer due to the lack of access of medical care. But organizations such as Doctors Without Borders, they provide effective solutions and they bring hope. They save lives, and so can you. You can save lives by supporting this course. And I would urge you to learn about these humanitarian medical organizations. I would urge you to share these given stories about the lives and realities of lives of millions of those who suffer out there. I would urge you to support their work through your donations, through your volunteering, and raising awareness of this course. That one voice, that $1, that one post can help save a life. As Mahatma Gandhi says, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. With that, I will leave you with one urgent and persistent question. How would you serve others if the opportunity is laid out for you? Would you turn a blind eye? Or will you bring hope to someone?